Good evening, I'm Trish Close. Ricky is off tonight. Thanks for joining us. Police investigating the harassment of a homeless man in downtown Medford. The incident caught on camera and then put on Facebook. News 10's Jenica Villamore has tonight's top story at 6. Jenica?
Trish, people on Facebook were commenting on the video before police found out about it. Many of them outraged that the teenager was apparently harassing the homeless man known as Downtown Dan, trying to coax him into a fight. Now, police are investigating, and those involved say there's more to this story. This video shows a boy taunting Dan Doty, or Downtown Dan, at Stewart Park in Medford. He hits the man with what looks like a popsicle stick.
They're clearly trying to annoy or harass him or maybe engage a violent response from him.
A teen in the crowd caught it all on camera and posted it on Facebook, and it got quite the response. In just a couple days, nearly 200 people chimed in, many angry at the teen, accusing him of being a bully.
Disturbing to watch.
Medford police say what the boy did was illegal, and he could be facing charges for harassment, disorderly conduct, and intimidation.
Shouldn't be doing that to anybody, let alone somebody that is potentially disabled.
There's no kind of intimidation, no kind of threatening gestures whatsoever. Playing around thing with them. It wasn't nothing like the video is portraying.
But the teen's parents say the video isn't telling the whole story, saying their son and Dan are friends.
Popsicle stick, it's not over money or it's not over anything like that.
And it's not like their son to pick on someone. Wednesday, the boy's mom talked with Dan herself.
So people have an idea that he was harassing you, and I think
The boy's family is worried the video showing their son joking around will lead to a very serious situation.
Adults like to run with it and make threats afterwards. I think that's more the problem than what happened in the video.
Of course, there are strong feelings on both sides of this story. Medford police are talking with both the teen and Dan. This case is still under investigation. Covering your news, Jenica Villamore, News 10.
And we want to know, what are your thoughts on this story? Friend News 10 on Facebook and leave us a comment.